Hello everyone, and today I'll be teaching you how to make one of my favorite drinks, the Moscow Mule. The following ingredients will be used: 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 4 ounces of ginger beer, a lime wedge, and a mint leaf. For the ginger beer, I just use a regular measuring cup, which is working out just fine. For smaller measurements, I just use this, or you can just use a regular shot glass. Either one works. You'll need a cutting board and a knife for the lime, and certainly, as you can see, I am no culinary expert when it comes to making precision cuts. Gordon Ramsay would have a field day with me. But either way, just continue to cut the lime, and of course, make sure to part a little cut down the middle. Now it's time for the assembly, my second favorite part of the process under actually drinking it. You'll need a cup with some ice, and your amount may vary, obviously. As you can tell, probably the smaller cup size, as well as the amount of ice I put in, is not helping with the amount of room I have left, which is fine. It'll work out. The drink also calls for being lightly stirred, and I do not have the proper utensil for that, so I'm just using this spoon. As mentioned before, the lack of space in the cup is not aiding me in any way, but it's working out. And how can we forget? No drink is complete without the garnishings. Just insert the lime wedge where you made the cut, and just rest the mint leaf in there. And there you have it. It's pretty simple to make, and quite refreshing too. Anyway, thank you all for listening, and have a nice day.